Charlie sort of stated this. It's worth noting that while Tesla and Bitcoin are both fascinating, they aren't necessarily related. Elon Musk's Tesla LED has made some amazing contributions to our society, and even Charlie Munger has been positive about Musk's work at Tesla. It's been a while since we've seen a successful new auto company emerge, but what Tesla has accomplished in the car business is nothing short of remarkable now. As for Tesla's investors, some are focused on short-term gains, while others are thinking long-term. Many believe that owning Tesla stock could be a valuable asset, both in the short and long term. So if you're interested in learning more about the possible future value of Tesla stock, stay tuned. Speaking of Tesla, the company has seen a remarkable increase in the value of its stock market, something that has never happened before for an automotive company. At present, Tesla is valued at almost $600 billion, outpacing the valuations of all other electric vehicle manufacturers worldwide. It's crucial to remember that this high valuation is supported by a number of promising initiatives that are expected to increase the company's income and revenue even more. A couple of examples include the fully autonomous Cybertruck and the potential for a Tesla robo-taxi service. While other automakers are mainly focused on wheels and engines, Tesla is frequently hailed as a tech company, a beacon of innovation, and a trailblazer in the realm of cutting-edge technology. This is what really sets it apart from the rest of the automotive pack. The goals of Tesla go beyond what is often associated with the car sector. Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur with a rare ability to inspire unflinching faith in investors, is at the center of this revolution. His magnetic personality and unshakable faith in the Tesla mission have played a pivotal role in drawing in and holding on to the confidence and backing of investors across the globe. What's really amazing is how Tesla's valuation has risen to the top of the market, matching, if not exceeding, that of its well-established rivals. Musk's ability to steer clear of obstacles and toward the swift advancement of technology has contributed to his extraordinary climb. With his leadership, Tesla has become a light of sustainability, a symbol of modernity, and an example of what can happen when ambition and ingenuity come together. Tesla is leading a revolution in transportation by fusing state-of-the-art technology with an eco-friendly, sustainable future. The company does more than just manufacture automobiles. Tesla's price has been justified by Elon Musk's leadership and steadfast dedication to this cause, which has also helped the company rise to a level of popularity and profitability that few could have predicted. Not only is Tesla bringing about change, but it's also leading the industry into uncharted territory, and investors are eager to follow along on this thrilling journey. Given the recent surge in Tesla's stock price, it is understandable that investors are keen to see what the company will do next. The key question is, will it be something truly significant? Let's hear from billionaire investors Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett about Tesla before moving further. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications to stay informed about everything. In a 2020 interview with Yahoo Finance, Tesla at the time, Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, expressed his opinions about Tesla. While holding sizable holdings in both GM and BYD, a Chinese automaker that sold more clean cars than Tesla the year before, it's vital to remember that BYD also sells hybrid cars in addition to electric ones, was something Berkshire had never invested in. In 2008, Berkshire made an initial investment of $232 million to purchase shares of BYD. Over time, this investment has increased dramatically. But imagine this. As of September, Berkshire had begun cutting its ownership of BYD. The financial industry's heavyweight champion, Berkshire Hathaway, recently made a risky move by selling off about $600 million worth of BYD shares. This type of financial strategy is like to unearthing a secret treasure box in your cluttered attic. In essence, Berkshire Hathaway turned their original investment into something that is currently 35 times as valuable. Can you picture the excitement of discovering a long-lost Picasso in your garage? That's the extent of this financial maneuver, but things start to get interesting from here. Not that Berkshire Hathaway is saying goodbye to BYD just yet. The company still owns a staggering 130.3 million shares, or around 12% of the massive Chinese automaker. It's analogous to announcing that you're on a vacation but will return for more. They continue to have a strong foothold in the BYD game and are one of the main players. Let's now turn our attention to Tesla's electric utopia. At this point, the plot gets more complex and exciting. A lot of astute observers of the savvy market are speculating that Berkshire Hathaway need to think about joining the Tesla bandwagon. Who was to blame for them? Not to be confused with your average automaker, Tesla is spearheading the revolution in electric vehicles. Now that the race has begun, Tesla is leading the way. Imagine this. Elon Musk, a real-life corporate rock star, is leading this space-age trip. He is not just a CEO, he is the live, breathing embodiment of Tesla's essence, with charisma radiating from every pore and a vision that is rewriting the rules of transportation. But wait, there's a twist in this tale, and it's a nice one. Not everyone has the same perspective on Tesla. Consider Warren Buffett as an example. He is the type of investor who thoroughly examines a business before making any financial commitments. Elon Musk famously said that Berkshire Hathaway would be awash in cash today if they had taken a chance on Tesla back in 2008, when the firm was only worth $200 million. It's similar to looking back at an otherwise winning lottery ticket that was missed. Disregard Charlie Munger, Berkshire Hathaway's sage. He's been praising Tesla a lot and calling it a remarkable accomplishment for the U.S. auto sector, but this is where things get interesting. He too has his fair share of doubts. Munger thinks Bide may have an undiscovered advantage over Tesla. He claims that it's really puzzling how Bide was able to hike prices in China when Tesla was lowering them. Thanks to their massive manufacturing capacity, Bide's dominance in the vast Chinese market also truly impresses him. This is the plot twist that has us gripped until the very end. Elon Musk views buying Tesla as a fantastic chance, similar to finding Willy Wonka's golden ticket, despite the early skepticism. What will happen in this financial drama next? In any case, it's speculated that Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger possess a keen eye for a good deal and are willing to pay a fair price for a promising company, may purchase additional Tesla shares if they perceive the company's potential for growth in the wider financial markets. Ever since it made its public debut in 2010, investors have been enthralled by Tesla's stock, which is comparable to an exciting roller coaster. Though opinions regarding Tesla may differ, investors, especially industry heavyweights like Berkshire Hathaway, are eagerly awaiting the next chapter in the Tesla tale. Its power may electrify the whole EV market, that much is certain. It's almost like a crazy roller coaster ride through financial history when we discuss Tesla's shares. They've increased by over 20,000%, and that's not just outperforming the market. It's also consuming its dust. Some people even compare Tesla to the overachievers in the classroom who routinely pass tests, even the ones that are supposed to be difficult. Picture yourself on your private island enjoying cocktails after making an early investment in Tesla shares. This is the kind of millionaire makeover we are updates discussing. Not only has Tesla grown at an astounding rate, but its market worth has surpassed $500 billion. It resembles the popular child on the block who everyone aspires to be friends with, and let's not even talk about the trillion-dollar milestones. Not once but twice in October 2021, then again in March the following year. That's like reaching the summit of Mount Everest, then doing it all over again, just for fun now. Let's break it down even further. If you had the foresight to invest $1,000 in Tesla back in 2010, fast forward to February 4th, 2020, and you'll be looking at almost $36,000 in your pocket. That's like turning pocket change into a small fortune, and those Tesla shares valued at $6,940 in June 2021, well, they're expected to turn out around $7,540 in earnings by June 2022. It's like having a money-making machine in your garage, while other naysayers fear Tesla's stock might hit a plateau. Here's the deal. Elon Musk is like the magician pulling rabbits out of hats, but in this instance, it's breakthrough electric vehicles. He's got this leadership style that's a blend of Steve Jobs' charisma and Tony Stark's invention. But Tesla isn't just leading the race, it's lapping the competition in product development. It's like beginning a marathon and finishing before others even tie their shoelaces. The data don't lie, and the analysts are humming with excitement. They're forecasting even more fantastic long-term growth for Tesla. Picture this before the electric vehicle explosion. Tesla's stock was cooling around $100 today, while it's executing a Michael Jordan slam dunk into financial glory. And if you're holding 10 shares or more, you may be looking at a return on investment that's 100 times what you put in all in less than 3 years. It's like landing the jackpot without buying a lottery ticket. Now, let's talk about Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Investment. She's like the contemporary day oracle of Wall Street's latest valuation model is like a crystal ball projecting Tesla shares flying to $4,000 by 2026 elite from their original projection of $3,000 by 2025. But here's the twist. ARK Investment has been tinkering with their model now, believing there's even more demand for autonomous rides at higher prices. This is like upgrading your smartphone before everyone else just because the new features are too cool to resist. They also moved up their projections to 2026, like speeding up the clock on a race to greatness, and here's the icing on the cake. Investors are becoming increasingly convinced that Tesla is the one holding the key to true autonomous driving. It's like watching a detective solve the biggest case of the century. Tesla isn't just in the game, it's in the lead when it comes to electric vehicles and AI. If all these pieces of the puzzle come together, it's like watching a masterpiece unfold in the world of finance. Well, there you have it, folks. The latest scoop on Tesla's electrifying journey in the world of finance. It's been a roller coaster ride of astronomical growth, visionary leaders, and some intriguing twists in the plot. But the Tesla story is far from over now. We want to hear from you. What's your evaluation of Tesla? Do you share the same thoughts as our financial experts, or do you have a different perspective on this electrifying journey? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay in the loop with all things Tesla, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest Tesla stock news and